Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
Community service. Every day, I go to an after-school program. We get to vote on the activities we do each week. This week, we cleaned the park next to our school. There were cans in the grass. We collected them and put them in a recycling bin. The feeders were empty. We filled them with seeds so the birds and squirrels would have something to eat. There was glass on the basketball court. We scooped it up so no one would get hurt. A flower garden was full of weeds. We all helped to pull them out of the ground. There was litter along the paths. We picked it up and put it in the trash. The park looked a lot better when we were finished. Now everyone can enjoy it. What will you do for your community this week?
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.